Good morning, students. Hope all of you are fit and healthy at your home. Yes, na? And this is your science class. I hope, student, all of you read this chapter. This is last chapter which are coming in your annual examination. So, students, open your book, your science book, page number 98. This chapter 13. I hope all of you read this chapter. And in this chapter, when you are reading now, you read some interesting words like that astronauts. What is the meaning of this word? Tell me, anyone. It means the person who are going to the where? Going to the space. That person is called astronauts. Okay. So students, let's start today's class. First, I mention here the date. What is the date is? The date is 8 February 2021. The chapter name is chapter 13. Going to the moon. Going to the moon. Okay. Page number 98. 98 to 100. Okay. Hope all of you read this chapter. Yes, na? Very good. You are a very good student, all of you. And one more thing, student. This message for all sections. Section A, Section B and Section C. Those students are not send me their project. Today is the last date. After that, I will not receive it. Okay, beta? So be careful for it, because it is good for you. Today is the last date. This is I'm given extra time. Today is a Monday, 8 February. If any student, if you are not send me your project, then you can send me today only. After that, I will not receive it. Okay, beta, and your marks will be deducted now in your exam, annual exam. So, beta, be careful. If you are not send me, then you can send it. Okay, but no need to send it again. Okay, beta. I hope all of you understand now. Come to the today's class topic. The chapter is going to the moon. It means in this chapter we are reading about moon. Okay, beta. First, look at here, everyone. Where is the position of the moon in our space? This is the sun. This is in previous chapter I told you. And sun is the head of the solar system. Sun is the head of the solar system. It is a star. Okay. Here is some different planets are surrounding the. Here is which planet is? Tell me. First is Mercury. Second is Venus. And third one is your planet, that is Earth. Yeah, this is your planet. Here is I am drawing now some space, water. This is your Earth. This is the third position, Earth. And moon is here. This is the moon. Moon. And this moon surrounding the Earth is revolve around the Earth. Look at here. Look at here everyone, my dear student. This is our planet Earth. Here mention now I am named. This is Earth and this is a moon. This moon revolve around the Earth and this moon is a natural satellite. What is the meaning of satellite? Look at here everyone. Pay attention beta. This is a solar system of our family's head. Sun is the head of solar system and this is a planet. Earth is a planet and only life is possible on this Earth when any, look at here beta, this is a celestial body and it is in a space. When any celestial body revolve around any planet, that is called satellite. So this moon, it is a celestial body and it is revolving around the Earth. So it is called satellite and it is a natural. We cannot make it. Okay beta. So moon is natural satellite. Moon is a natural. It is not man-made satellite. At the present time, many satellites are made it. But moon is only one natural satellite. Then come to the moon. The moon shines in the sky when? In the day, at the night. Moon shines in the sky at the night and it looks like a bright silver ball. Okay beta, and moon is nearest neighbor of the Earth. Okay, and on the moon and it is appears to shine but it has no light of its own. This moon gets its light from the sun. Sun is the source of light. So the moon, when the moon is shining to reflected of sunlight. Sometimes moon is when it is revolving, sometimes it is here, sometimes it is here, sometimes it is here, sometimes it is here, sometimes it is here. Okay beta, I hope all things are clear now. Okay, then phases of the moon, second point. This all things are clear now. Then phases of the moon. When the moon is come here and the sunlight is directed or direct fall on the moon, that time the sun is shining. That time sun is shining and that time the sun is proper shining and that time the sun position is called full moon. Everyone look at here in your book. This is the three pictures in your book. This picture is the phases of the moon. This picture is a full moon. And the shape of the moon appears to change every night. Sometimes it is full moon when it is in Purnima. Sometime a part of it, sometime that is no moon at all. And here is a half moon. Look at here. And this is a new moon. These all things are depend on its position. And the changing of shape of the moon are called phases of the moon. Okay beta, and the moon takes to go around the earth to complete one around the earth near about how many days? It means it complete their one round in 28 days. How many days? 28 days. Okay, it means it complete it complete nearly 28 days to around the earth. Look at here this picture. This is the picture of earth and here is the moon, and this moon is revolving around the earth, and this round is completing nearly 28 days. Okay beta, and all of you read now this fact also. From the earth both the sun and the moon look about the same size, but the moon is 400 times smaller than the sun and 400 times near to the earth. Okay, so all of you read this fact also in your book. The next point is going to the moon. Which, tell me the person name who was going to the moon. First person going to the moon. Going to the moon, first person, tell me. Human beings had always dreamed of going to the moon. This is our dream. Maybe you some in your class some students are grown now, their study is good now, and maybe you become scientist. Okay, maybe, but this time you read now proper your reading. The dream come true. This dream is come true. The scientists first time they are going to the moon in the year 1969. Look at here. Here is the some picture in your book. This is the picture. This three scientists, Neil Armstrong, Edwin Aldrin, and Michael Collins. All of you read these three scientists' name properly. These three persons, not persons, these three astronauts are going to the moon on 20th July 1969. But in this three person, the Neil Armstrong was the first person who stepped their foot on the moon. Okay, if there is anyone is asking about, tell me the name person, first man who go on the moon. So your answer is Neil Armstrong. Okay beta, and these three astronauts are landed on the moon from the spacecraft, and which name is Eagle. Underline this word, spacecraft, that is Eagle. Underline this word. Okay beta, I hope all things are clear now. Then Neil Armstrong, I told you, was the first person who stepped their foot on the moon first time. And these three astronauts brought some soil from the moon and took many photographs of the moon. That is very helpful to us, to the astronauts. They are studying about the soil and the photographs, and they are research now what is on the moon, and these photographs and soil is very helping for the astronauts, and they resulted now according to their research, there is no air to breathe. It means on the moon there is no air, no water, no water, and without it there is no life. Without it there is no life. There is without no air. It means air is not present on the moon. It means how can we breathe? There is no water. Okay, that's why the life is not possible on the moon. Okay, and no trees and no flowers are grow on the moon, and the moon size is 81 times brighter than the earth. Tell me, students, the first woman to go in the space, and she was Indian. Tell me anyone the name. She was Kalpana Chawla, and the year 1997. Okay, beta. So everyone read this chapter and pay attention all the facts in your book that are given in your book. This fact and this fact. Okay, beta. I hope all of you understand all things. That's why the life is not possible on the moon. Okay, where is the position of the moon? Earth, sun. All things are clear now. Okay, beta. All of you read this chapter 2 times. After that, watch this video.